Want to make your anime edits shine with a glow effect? Let's learn how to do it in CapCut. Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to use CapCut's glow effect for making amazing anime edits. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the video. Tap on the overlay and select the same video again. Adjust the video to the screen. And tap on Splice. Select the overlay and adjust it to 100. Tap on the tick mark. Tap on the effects and go to the video effects. Now search for glow effect. You will get two options. Click on the second one named Edge Glow and adjust it according to your requirement. Select the video and tap on Remove BG to remove the background of the overlaid video. Tap on the Chroma Key. Tap on the color picker and pick the darkest part of your video. Keep the shadow at 100 and intensity according to your requirement. Tap on the tick mark and preview the video. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. Like this, you can easily keep glow effect in CapCut for making anime edits. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.